Beneath the shimmering surface of a tropical reef lives one of nature's most extraordinary predators, the mantis shrimp, a creature both beautiful and deadly. Hidden beneath the sand, it waits, eyes rotating independently, scanning the world with a vision far beyond our own. While humans see with just 3 color receptors, the mantis shrimp sees with 16. It can detect ultraviolet, polarized light, and colors we can't even imagine. But it's not the eyes that make it feared. It's the punch. Coiled inside each arm is one of the fastest movements in the animal kingdom. When it strikes, the claw accelerates like a bullet. In less than a millisecond, it hits with the force strong enough to shatter aquarium glass. Even water itself cannot keep up. Tiny bubbles flash boil and collapse in violent bursts of light. This is a creature that sees the unseen, moves faster than the eye can follow, and lives in a world of color and motion beyond human reach. In the calm shallows of the reef, it patrols its territory, ever alert, a small gladiator beneath the waves. The mantis shrimp. Proof that nature's greatest power often hides in the smallest form. Its eyes witness a world we can only dream of.